This is Artams.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. A 14-point agreement between Donald Trump and the Iranian president is sending ripples through global markets. It is a move that promises stability but leaves policymakers and investors wondering who will actually foot the bill. The deal might look like a win on paper, but in Brussels it has only highlighted the cracks in European unity. While some leaders are buoyed by the news, others like Emmanuel Macron are furious over secret diplomatic outrage to the Kremlin. This political friction is mirroring a volatile atmosphere in the financial world. Byteca is feeling the heat from a hawkish Federal Reserve meeting. It slid below $62,700. The Japanese yen is in an even tighter spot. It is nearing a 40-year low, trading around 161.80 per US dollar. This gap between US and Japanese interest rates is creating a perfect storm for currency traders. When the macro environment is this unstable, the focus for professionals shifts to the tools that actually drive productivity. We are seeing a massive push towards centralized governance for AI agents. The new enterprise managed authorization extension for MCP is a prime example. It allows companies to use a single gun through providers like Okta or Microsoft. This means a zero-touch setup where the agent inherits permissions automatically. At the same time, a war is breaking out over the workspace. Anthropic has launched Claude Code Artifacts, which turns a session into a live interactive web page. OpenAI is taking a different route with Codex sites. They are building a full platform as a service that supports persistent databases and full-stack applications. One wants to replace the whiteboard. The other wants to replace internal SaaS tools. Beyond the interface, the actual engines powering these tools are undergoing a fundamental rebuild take. For years, developers had to choose between convenient classes and fast primitives. Now, JEP 401 is introducing value objects. The goal is simple. It should code like a class but work like an integer. By flattening data in memory, the JVM can avoid the costly pointer hops that slow down modern hardware. This obsession with efficiency is also hitting the LLM world. We are moving past simple autoregressive models toward discrete diffusion. New models like Dream and Lada are treating text generation. This allows them to refine an entire sequence in parallel. It is a shift from writing a sentence word by word to sculpting a complete thought all at once. Of course, more power requires better brakes. Checkmarx is tackling the noise problem in security scanning. They have unveiled a new SSST engine that combines deterministic rules with an LLM and a dedicated analysis engine to filter out false positives. It is an attempt to stop AI from creating more vulnerable code than humans can audit. This need for deterministic guardrails is even more critical in high-stakes areas like DEFized grounded. It does not just trust the LLM, it routes decisions through safety gates and data health checks. This is the ultimate expression of the human-machine partnership. We are even seeing this move into the brain itself. Brain-computer interface trials have more than doubled. Users like Casey Harrell, who lives with ALS, are now using implants to surf the web and work as climate activists. The interface is no longer a screen, it is a direct link to the neurons. From the high stakes of Iranian diplomacy to the intimacy of brain implants, the through line is a move toward precision. We are seeing a transition from the Wild West of hype to a world of deterministic governance and hardware-level optimization. Whether it is the JVM or ADFI risk agent, the goal is the same. We need systems that are not just capable but predictable. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.